Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the wonderful world of natural remedies and nutritional superstars. Today, we've got something fascinating for you: the top 5 shocking health secrets of turmeric. You've probably heard of this golden spice before, or even used it in your cooking. But did you know that turmeric has some truly amazing benefits for your health? Buckle up, and let's take a wild ride through the world of turmeric. Also, after watching this video, be sure to check out the other helpful resources in the description below this video. Alright, let's kick things off with the first shocking secret. Let's delve deeper into our first shocking secret: turmeric as an anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It's all about curcumin, folks. This active compound in turmeric is truly a superstar when it comes to fighting inflammation. Now, we all know inflammation is a natural response in our bodies. You get a cut, it swells and turns red. That's inflammation working to heal you. But when this inflammation doesn't turn off, when it becomes a long-term chronic condition, that's when it becomes a problem. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a variety of health issues like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's, just to name a few. And this is where turmeric steps in. Curcumin, which gives turmeric its characteristic golden hue, has been found to block several molecules in your body that contribute to inflammation. This isn't just a theory, my friends. Numerous scientific studies back this up. For example, a study published in the Drug Design, Development, and Therapy compared the anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin with popular anti-inflammatory drugs. The results? Curcumin was just as effective, but without the potential side effects of pharmaceutical drugs. Another study published in the Wiley Public Health Emergency Collection found that curcumin effectively downregulated the inflammatory response in the body. That's science speak for curcumin helps to turn off the inflammation switch. So curcumin doesn't just claim to be an anti-inflammatory agent, it truly is one, as research suggests. But here's a pro tip: curcumin isn't easily absorbed by your body. But don't worry, nature's got our back. Pair your turmeric with some black pepper, which contains a compound called piperine, to boost the absorption of curcumin. Incredible, isn't it? Turmeric, a common spice that you might have in your kitchen right now, is a potent, scientifically backed anti-inflammatory powerhouse. So why not add a dash of this golden wonder to your next meal? Stay tuned for more shocking health secrets of turmeric. Now let's dive into another impressive benefit of turmeric: its role as a brain booster. Yes, you heard it right. Turmeric isn't just good for your body, but also for your brain. Remember our superstar compound, curcumin? Well, it doesn't just fight inflammation. It's also a big player in brain health. Research has shown that curcumin boosts levels of a brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which is a type of growth hormone that functions in your brain. Many common brain disorders, including depression and Alzheimer's disease, have been linked to decreased levels of this hormone. That's where curcumin comes in. By increasing your brain's levels of BDNF, curcumin could potentially delay or even reverse many brain diseases and age-related decreases in brain function. Now, this isn't just some wild claim. It's backed by solid research. A study published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology showed that curcumin improved memory and attention in healthy older adults. Another fascinating study published in the Molecular Diversity Preservation International found that taking a curcumin supplement led to significant improvements in memory and attention in adults with mild, age-related memory loss. You see, these studies are a testament to the power of curcumin in turmeric as a brain booster. It's not just about improving memory and attention. It could also be about preserving and enhancing your brain health as you age. We've all had those moments, walking into a room and forgetting why we're there or misplacing our keys. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you could potentially improve your memory and reduce those brain fog moments. Now, don't expect to transform into a genius overnight after having a turmeric latte. But remember, every little bit helps when it comes to maintaining brain health. And remember, combining turmeric with black pepper can increase the absorption of curcumin, making sure you get the maximum brain benefits from this golden spice. Stay tuned as we explore more shocking health secrets of turmeric. You don't want to miss these. All right. Moving on to our next astonishing health secret of turmeric: its role as an antioxidant ace. You might have heard the term antioxidants being thrown around in health circles. But what are they really? Simply put, antioxidants are compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by potentially harmful molecules known as free radicals. And guess what? Turmeric is absolutely brimming with these protective antioxidants. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your cells, a process known as oxidative stress. Over time, this damage can lead to a wide array of chronic illnesses, including heart disease and cancer. Here's where the magic of turmeric comes in. The curcumin in turmeric is a potent antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals due to its chemical structure. But that's not all. Curcumin also boosts the activity of your body's own antioxidant enzymes. Yes, you heard it right. Curcumin fights the bad guys and then rallies your own troops. Now, these aren't empty claims. Science backs it all up. A study published in the Archives of Pharmacol Research discovered that the antioxidant effects of curcumin can help protect against liver damage, a common site of oxidative stress. Another study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that curcumin's antioxidant activity is even stronger than that of vitamin C and E, which are well known for their potent antioxidant properties. Can you believe that? Turmeric is not just matching up to these nutritional powerhouses, but it's surpassing them. And there's even more. Research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences has shown that curcumin can help protect against age-related oxidative stress and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. So, we're talking about a potential reduction in the risk of diseases like heart disease, Alzheimer's, and even certain cancers. That's a big deal. By adding turmeric to your diet, you're not just giving your meals a flavor boost. You're giving your body a much-needed antioxidant boost as well. We've got more shocking health secrets of turmeric to unveil. So stay tuned and keep your mind open to the power of nature. Now let's jump into another super impressive benefit of turmeric: its role as a heart health hero. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. It's a complex condition with various contributing factors. And guess what? Turmeric, or more specifically curcumin, has the potential to positively influence many of these. One key aspect of heart health is the proper functioning of your blood vessels, also known as endothelial function. The endothelium is the thin membrane that lines the inside of your heart and blood vessels. When it's working well, it helps to regulate your blood pressure and prevents clotting, among other things. Studies have shown that curcumin can improve endothelial function, and as a result, it can help lower your risk of heart disease. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that curcumin was as effective as exercise in improving endothelial function in postmenopausal women. Another study published in the British Journal of Pharmacology found that taking a curcumin supplement before and after heart surgery reduced the risk of a heart attack significantly. But let's not forget, while turmeric can complement heart-healthy habits, it doesn't replace a healthy lifestyle or prescribed medications. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet, especially if you have heart disease or other health conditions. Now, let's unfold another incredible benefit of turmeric: its role in joint pain relief. Joint pain, especially from conditions like arthritis, can significantly affect your quality of life. The pain, stiffness, and reduced joint function can be debilitating. But guess what? Turmeric might be the answer you've been looking for. Remember our superstar compound, curcumin? Its potent anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate joint pain and reduce inflammation. Let's get down to the science of it all. Arthritis, a condition that affects millions worldwide, is characterized by inflammation in the joints. Now, because curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound, it's no surprise that it could help combat arthritis. Several studies back this up. A notable study published in the British Association of Sport and Exercise Medicine found that curcumin was even more effective than an anti-inflammatory drug for pain relief in patients with knee osteoarthritis. Just imagine that, a natural compound found in a common spice, outperforming a pharmaceutical drug. Another study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that patients with rheumatoid arthritis who took curcumin experienced significant reductions in pain and inflammation. And remember, while these results are promising, always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your treatment plan. So, if you're dealing with joint pain or arthritis, adding some turmeric into your diet could potentially provide some much-needed relief. Turmeric, your potential ally in the fight against joint pain. And there you have it. The top 5 shocking health secrets of turmeric. This golden spice is truly a treasure trove of benefits, and we've only just scratched the surface. Did these health secrets surprise you? Or maybe you have your own turmeric tales to tell. We'd love to hear about your experiences and any turmeric tips you might have, so don't be shy. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found these health secrets as fascinating as we did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our future videos unveiling the shocking secrets of everyday foods. Remember, health and knowledge are the greatest gifts you can give yourself and those around you. So keep learning, keep growing, and let's continue this journey to wellness together. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of the food around you. See you in the next video.